Good morning, everyone. Today our day 3 for solving a system of equations. Yesterday and day before yesterday, we took how to solve a system of equations by using substitutions. Today, we are going to take how to solve a system of equations by using elimination method. Okay, our objective is to use the elimination method for solving system of linear equations. As usual, we have to take the success criteria, and our success criteria today is you will be successful when you can use elimination to solve a system of equations. What is our vocabulary today? Our vocabulary today is elimination, and we understand that the word eliminate, it means remove. Correct. Let's use elimination method to solve a system of equations. Here is our first example. In our first example here, before taking the examples, we have to write down the notes. How can we solve a system of equations by using elimination? First of all, we have, or you have, to make x or y having the same value. So you have to make x or y having the same value. Let me explain to you the note number 1 here in our example. Here in first equation we have 2x plus 5y equal 3. And here we have 4x minus 5y equal 21. If you have the number of y, here I have 5y, and here I have negative 5y. If I have the number of y, the coefficient of y are similar, so I can eliminate. I can eliminate if the number of y is similar or the number of x similar. That's why we wrote note number 1 here. Okay, mister. What is the note number 2 before starting solve? Before we solving, note number 2 here is if you have same sign, so we will subtract. We will subtract if we have same sign. If we have different sign, so we will add. Okay, mister, we do not understand this note. Please explain to me. Look here, guys. I have different sign. Here I have plus and here I have minus. I have different sign. Plus and minus. Different sign. Plus and minus. So if I have different sign, what I have to do? I will do addition. How can I add? I will add number with number, y with y, x with x. So let me add 2x plus 4x equals what? Equals 6x. And when you add similar number, you will eliminate. When you add similar number having different sign, you will eliminate. That's why we are using the word elimination here, because y are the similar to the other y, and this is different sign with this. So when I'm adding, it will be eliminated. Okay, and let's go back. And we have 3 plus 21 equals 24. The purpose for the word elimination here, we eliminate to cross y and to get the value of x. And here, mister, I have 6x. I have to divide by 6. I have to divide by 6. So x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, what I'm going to do? Ah, yes. I will do substitute. Okay, mister, where I have to substitute? In any one of these equations. Any one. I will take the same equation, the first one. 2, but I will not write x, plus 5y equal to 3. Then I will substitute x is equal to number 4. If x is equal number 4, 2 times 4 is equal to 8, plus 5y equals to 3. You will switch 8 from the left hand side to the right hand side, so it will be minus 8. 5y equal 3 minus 8, negative 5. 3 minus 8 equal negative 5. Then, mister, I have to divide by 5. I have to divide by 5. If you divide 5y by 5, you will get only y. And if you divide negative 5 by 5, you will get the answer negative 1. And now I know the solution, which is x equal 4, y equal negative 1. It can be written like 4 and negative 1. This is your solution. I hope that you do understand, and I hope to remember our notes. You have to make x or y having the same value. Our note number 2, if the x or y having same sign, so I will do subtraction. So if it have a different sign, I will do plus. Remember, different sign, I will do addition. Different addition, same sign, I will do subtraction. Let's go to example number 2. And just leave the notes here in front of you in a video. I would like to explain in example number 2 here, solve a system of equations by elimination. I have here similar x. So if it similar x, so I know that I will eliminate the letter x. Let me first of all do like this, and I will eliminate x with x. I will combine y with y, and I will combine the number with number. Let's see what we will have. What I said here, if I have positive 8x and I have also positive 8x here, if I have same sign, look at here guys to the left of you. If I have same sign, should I have to do minus? Correct. So I will do subtraction. 8x minus 8x equals 0x. I'm not writing it. It's cancelled. It's eliminated. 2y minus 4y. 2 minus 4 equal negative 2y. Because 2 minus 4 equal negative 2. 12 minus 16. 12 minus 16 is equal negative 4. Then if I have negative 2y, how can I make it only y? If you want to make it y, you will divide by negative 2. You will divide by negative 2 because you want to get it y only. Dividing by negative 2 both sides, here is cancelled. And here, negative 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to. After getting y is equal to, after getting y is equal to, you will write any one of the equations, 8x plus 2. You will not write y because you will replace it with the number 2. If you remember, yes, I will replace it with a number 2 here. Then you have to multiply 8x plus 2 times 2 is 4, and here is a half number 12. Don't forget to change 4 from the left hand side to the right hand side. You will get the answer 8x equal 12 minus 4. What is 12 minus 4, guys? It's 8. And here is 8x. How can I make x alone, separate? By dividing both sides by 8. Correct. Now I have 8 divided by 8 is equals to 1. And 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. So 1x equals 1. Which make our solution x first, 1, then y second 2. So your solution is 1 and 2. I hope that you understand from me example number 2 here, guys. And let's move to the example number 3. I would like from all of you to pause the video and please try to do example number 3. I hope that you did example number 3 here, and let's start to do it together, and let's start to check our answers. First of all, if you remember our notes, let me write it now in front of you again. Note number 1, we have to make, you have to make x or y having the same coefficient or number. The same number. Okay? And step number 2, if you still remember step number 2, in step number 2, same sign, do minus, different sign will do plus. Okay, let's start. First of all, here I have 2x, 5y, and x and 3y. Actually, y is not similar to y, and x is not similar to x. How can I change x to be same to the x which is below it, or how can I change y to be similar to y below it? It's better for me in this case to multiply the second equation, this equation, to multiply it by 2. You know why I'm multiplying it by 2? Because I have 2x up. So let me erase and start from the beginning. If we start from the beginning here, I have 2x. How can I make this x similar to the 2x? By multiplying by 2. If you multiply it by 2, and if you multiply by 2, it means you have to multiply the whole equations by 2. You cannot multiply only x by 2, you have to multiply x by 2, y by 2, and the whole number also by 2. Okay? And you know why I'm multiplying it by 2? Because I want to make it same like the 2x which is above it. You understand? Because some of the questions I have to multiply by 3, some of different questions I have to multiply by 4. It depends on the number of x. So if the number of x here is 2x, so I have to multiply the blue question, the blue equations with 2. Okay, after multiplying by 2, this equations, if I multiply it by 2, it will be like 2x plus, what is 2 times 3? Is 6y, then is equal 2 times negative 5, negative 10. This is the second equation. After multiplying it by 2. Okay, mister, can I just rewrite the equation above it? Yes. This is our first equation. I'm writing it above it. So now, mister, I just change here. I will write it. Change x to be similar to the other x. After changing it, look what I found. Here I have 2x and 2x. And here I have y is different than the other y. I don't care because I have only one number is similar to the other one number, which is enough for me. Let's do plus or minus, guys. Look at the note number 2. You have here 2x and you have here 2x. So I have same sign. If I have same sign, I will do minus. So let's do minus. Let's do minus. 2x minus 2x, gone. خلاص, finish. 5 minus 6, negative 1y, equal negative 13 minus negative 10. I will write it in front of you. Negative 13 minus negative 10. Look, negative 13 minus negative 10. If I have minus negative, I will do plus. So negative 1y equal negative 13 plus 10. Still I have different sign, so I have to do minus. So negative 1y equal negative 3. How can I get only y? By dividing both by negative 1. So y is equal 3. Once y is equal 3, where you have to get x? You have to get x by substituting. You will substitute y is equal 3 any one of these equations, any equation. So for example, 2x plus 5, I'm not writing y because I'm going to substitute it, equal negative 13. Then you will substitute y is equal 3 here. Okay, I will put 3. 2x plus 5 times 3 is 15 is equal negative 13. What I have to do with 15, you have to switch it to the right hand side. 2x equal negative 13 minus 15. It was positive, now it's negative. 2x equal negative 28. Because negative 13, negative 15, I will add it together, so it will be negative 28. I will divide by 2. You know why? Because I want to get x. X is equal negative 14. If x is equal negative 14, y is equal 3. What is your solution? You will write solution set as x first, negative 14, y second is 3. I hope that to understand for me, guys. Thank you very much. And don't forget to do your practice time. The practice question today. Blue group, please do the first question. Green group, do the second question. Red group, do the last question. Thank you and see you for the next video.